Release the fingers, interlace them behind the back. Warrior three. But bend the knees, bend the supporting leg till the knees touch, fold forward, keep your chest over your thighs, extend the floating leg. When you find that one, then extend the standing. Open up the chest, open up the chin. Of course, whatever arm variation feels appropriate is yours. Bend the left leg, that supporting leg. Drop the right foot back as far as you need to. Keep the Yoga Mudra. Rotate towards the back of the mat. Set your situations up, release the hands, take the hands down in front of the toes. Bend the front knee, which is now your right knee. Pick up the left heel. Pour weight from the foot towards the fingers. Take the knee into the chest, tuck the chin. Come to standing. Left knee into chest, interlacing the fingers if you so dare. Shoulders down the spine. Do whatever you want. Interlace the fingers. Bend the standing legs so the knees touch almost. Fold forward so the thighs comes close, the chest goes close to the thigh. Extend the left leg back. Warrior three, Yoga Mudra style. Now that standing leg can bend as much as you want. In fact, the floating leg can bend too. Can you find balance either way? When you're ready, you bend the standing leg to lower the floating leg back towards the front of the mat. Back towards the front of the mat, place the foot, rotate.